Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Fundrise to manage investment contributions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Fundrise website and log in to your account. Locate the investment contributions section on your dashboard. Click on the Manage Contributions button. Select the option to authorize Fundrise. Next, you will be prompted to provide your bank account information. Enter your bank account number and the routing number accurately. Ensure that the details you enter match the information on your bank documents. Review the terms and conditions for authorizing Fundrise. Read through the agreement carefully to ensure you understand your commitments. Once satisfied, check the box to agree to the terms. Next, submit your authorization request. You might receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email. It may take a few business days for Fundrise to process your authorization. After the processing is complete, check your account dashboard for updates. If there are any issues or delays, reach out to Fundrise customer support for assistance. Once authorized, you can easily manage future investment contributions through your account. Review your investment strategy regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Monitor your contributions and investment growth in your dashboard. Stay informed about market trends and updates that may affect your investments. Now you are ready to confidently manage your investment contributions with Fundrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.